My friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Donabella Hardera's channel. First of all, I am Donna. For those who do not know me yet, but my full name is Donabella and my name for short, or you can call me Donna. This time, we are going to make coleslaw, a sort of innovative coleslaw because I will be introducing additional ingredients to make our coleslaw more delicious and nutritious. Okay, so stay put. Now I will introduce to you the ingredients that you are going to use in our coleslaw salad. So first we will have this 1/2 medium size cabbage. I already peeled the old leaves, and then the 1 medium size carrot, and a little bit medium size also cucumber, lemon for our I homemade mayonnaise, and we have also egg and oil and salt and sugar and this peanut and this small or black pepper. Okay, so let's start now peeling our ingredients and then slicing. Okay. We will now make mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise, fresh mayonnaise for our coleslaw salad. We will squeeze the lemon now as one of the ingredients of our fresh mayonnaise. So now we can start pouring or dropping oil little by little. It is now starting to thicken. It's only through manual. It's exciting anyway. Okay, we will continue. It becomes more thick now. Little bit only. Okay. Sorry. I think this is now enough for our coleslaw salad. Okay, so we will pour now. Wow. Okay, we leave some. Then put a little pepper, black pepper. Then little salt. And sugar. Then we will mix. Wow. Okay. I think our sauce is only enough for our mayonnaise. Okay, so finish mixing. We will taste. We need a little bit of salt and sugar. But then the taste is already nice. A little pepper. So finished mixing or adding the salt, sugar, and pepper. We'll taste again. Nice. But I think more salt. I think it's enough. Enough. Nice. Now I will add crushed peanut. Peanut, I mean, so that it will taste, more delicious. We'll put peanut toppings. So that it will look more attractive, and this will add 2 ingredients also. Finished putting peanut toppings, we will now add little decor, this glutinate flour. Anyway, this is edible. Wow. So that's my coleslaw salad. Innovative coleslaw salad. That's all for now, my friends. I hope you like my video. Please comment, subscribe, and share. And hit the notification bell so that you will be updated of my next video. So everything in this video of ours is a successful experiment. And the vegetable or the coleslaw salad that we prepared today, together with other ingredients, are so healthy for and delicious. So bye bye, and see you on my next video. God bless.